Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set screen time on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set screen time in iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Now, you need to turn on your screen time if screen time is turned off. If your screen time is turned off, all you simply need to do to turn on your screen time once you open it is you want to locate and click on app and website activity. Then you should see turn on app and website activity. Then go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, hang on. Then you should see app and website activity turned on. Now, to lock your screen time, click on lock screen time settings. Type in your screen time passcode. Repeat the screen time passcode. Now type in your Apple ID, email, and then the password, so that you'll be able to recover your screen time passcode if forgotten. And you can also cancel it if you don't want to set a recovery email for your screen time passcode. After that, you should see the screen time passcode set, and then you are good. Afterward, you can now view your screen time and then see which application you use for the week, for the day, and then you'll also be able to sort apps based on category, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to set screen time in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.